Here's an unboxing and explanation of how to use my new jump and carry JNC660 jump starter. My brother has one of these and was introduced to it by his AAA tow truck driver who had one, and after seeing and hearing about it, I decided to get one for myself. This jump starter has a good amount of power for starting cars, and I plan on keeping it in the back trunk area of my SUV, and taking it out to recharge or topping up the charge around every 3 months or so. And an explanation of how to use it. Make sure your car is off, and then take the positive or red clamp off its ear, and clamp it to the positive terminal of the car. Take the black negative clamp off its ear, and connect it to a non-moving metal part, like the vehicle frame. Then start the car, or turn on the ignition. If the car doesn't start within 6 seconds, let the jump and carry cool for 3 minutes before trying again. And once the car starts, disconnect the negative clamp from the vehicle frame and return it to its ear, and then disconnect the positive clamp and return it to its ear on the jump and carry. It can be charged with a household extension cord that connects to the plug on the upper left side.